Welcome back. The Indian Air Force, its second C-17 Globemaster 3 is on its way to Nepal. The C-130 Hercules, and these are pictures you see of equipment being loaded onto that aircraft before being sent to Nepal. That equipment, the first aircraft has already landed in Nepal. The second aircraft is now on its way. It should land in Nepal in the next couple of hours, and this aircraft carries, apart from doctors, emergency medical teams, dog squad, it also carries a hospital, a field hospital that can start functioning almost immediately after being established, and that is very essential at this point of time because there are a lot of injuries, fractures. Orthopedic surgeons are required, doctors are required, and they can immediately start tending to people, and those who are critical and yet can be moved, the Indian Air Force aircraft can bring them back to India. Headlines today's Jugal Purohit was at the Hindon Air Base and he sent us this report.
The Indian Air Force is flying missions to carry in the NDRF. We have with us Commandant P.K. Srivastava from the force. Can you tell us, sir, what is the nature of your mission and the equipment that you're carrying from here?
See, we in the NDRF have been asked to send the research and rescue teams to Nepal. As you know, a massive earthquake has occurred in Nepal. So we are carrying 6 teams. One team has already left. One team with about 50% has already left. And now 5 more teams are here. They are boarding the aircraft and we are leaving for Kathmandu. And we are leaving with all kind of search and rescue equipment. We have got search equipment. We have got search dogs also. We will go and we will start the operation there.
Okay. And how many personnel are you carrying, sir? And can you tell us the nature of the equipment that you're carrying? How will it actually help the Nepalese authorities in finding their dead and also rectifying the situation?
The NDRF is carrying all the latest state-of-the-art equipment that includes victim locating camera. It carries search equipment like life detector type 1 and life detector type 2 from which we can search the trapped victims who are trapped there inside, so that first of all, we should know where the people are trapped, so that we don't waste time in searching the personnel and immediately we can start the operation. So we'll first search the equipment. So we are having the search equipment for search, and then we are carrying other equipment also, the cutters, lifters, all those equipments are there with us.
And sir, can you tell us how many teams are there in all and how many will be flying today?
See, I'm the commandant of 8th Battalion NDRF, so I am carrying 6 teams with me. So out of 6 teams, 1 team has already left. 1 team consists about 50 personnel. So from my unit, about 300 personnel are moving along with 5 dogs.
Is it your battalion's first international operation, sir?
No, I must remind you because it was when the earthquake was there in Japan in 2011. It was the team from this unit itself which moved to Japan, and they did a very good job and which was well appreciated all over the world.
Okay, thank you so much and all the best to you, sir.
Thank you.
So there you heard the NDRF commandant, a very confident man, saying that we've done it in the past in Japan, we will do it again this time in Nepal. With Premchand Mishra at the Hindon Air Base, Jugal Purohit for Headlines Today. The ambassadors of India's rescue effort and relief support to the Himalayan Republic of Nepal. Behind me inside the C-17 Globemaster aircraft of the Indian Air Force, personnel from the 8th Battalion of the NDRF and the Indian Air Force counterparts working hand in hand. Remember, they are not two defense forces. Still, the jointness is evident. Within a matter of few hours, they've readied themselves, arrived here, and are taking off to help the Nepalese people and their country. What they are taking are specialized equipment from here, from India, towards the Himalayan Republic. And once there, they will be fanning out across the length and breadth of Nepal. Not only is help being supplied from the Hindon Air Base, where I am right now, but also a string of Air Force bases which actually border the Nepalese territory. Helicopters, planes, whatever way can help is being seen and being sent. With Premchand Mishra at the Hindon Air Force Base of the Indian Air Force, Jugal Purohit reporting for Headlines Today.